Yosemite National Park closed until Tuesday due to wind damage. The Yosemite National Park Twitter account shared this photo on January 21, 2020, showing damage from high winds. Yosemite National Park will be closed until at least Tuesday as a result of damage caused to the park during this week's high wind event, officials announced Thursday. A windstorm moved into the state early in the week, fanning brush fires, toppling trees and leaving thousands of Californians without power. At Yosemite, the winds caused downed trees, debris and damage to park facilities. Park authorities said they would be conducting damage assessments, repairing facilities and clearing the fallen trees during the closure. The park previously announced that it would be closed only until Friday, but the closure was extended as relentless winds continued to sweep through the area. While some facilities were damaged, no injuries have been reported as a result of high winds in the park, officials said Tuesday. In an image shared by the park, a tree appeared to have fallen and crushed a red truck, burying it under its branches. In another photo, the roof of a cabin was completely caved in on one side. A large tree nestled into it. Once the park reopens to the public, it will resume its limited hours of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. for day-use activities only, in order to abide by the state's stay-at-home order amid the coronavirus pandemic. Lodging and campgrounds remain temporarily closed, and some services and facilities will continue to be limited, with shuttles currently not operating, according to the National Park Service.